Hey everybody, Marcy here. I'm here to do a video to tell you more about a fasting mimicking diet by a company called ProLon. And so it's very interesting. They're going to send you a big box like this with 5 days full of food of what you're going to eat, and you're just going to eat the contents of what's in the box. So I just wanted to first start by saying they will send you a meal program that tells you exactly how to do everything, what to eat on each day, or what is suggested. And it's not intended for you to really exert yourself and do a lot of exercise. You really need to rest and fast and cleanse your body. And what it's going to allow you to do is to basically renew your body, rejuvenate your body, and revive your body. So that's what you're trying to do. And I'm going to get into the details. I'm going to take you through the journey with me. If not every meal, a lot of the meals show you pictures of what's the contents in the box, what the food looks like. And they're going to send you, this is day 5, they're going to send you basically like I said, everything for day 5 you would eat within this box. And when you open it up, it has various things. You know, they have your granola bar. Well, this is actually the kale crackers for maybe your lunch or your dinner. You have soups within a packet. And so I'm going to be sharing more of that as I go along this journey with you. There's also vitamins and minerals to also make sure that you're fully nutrified. This is plant-based, so you really need to try to stick to everything that's in the contents of the box and don't deviate away from it. If you're allergic to nuts or other things, you might not want to do this. It's not recommended. And of course, make sure that you're cleared with your healthcare professional if you're interested. So come along with this journey, and we're going to see how this 5-day mimicking diet goes. All right, so here is the ProLon box one more time, and again, it is a 5-day meal program. Everything you need will be in the context of this box, and it's a pretty large box, so it's pretty exciting when you first get it in the mail. And I'm going to go ahead and open the box to show you a little bit more. So here are the 5 days incomplete, and they also send you a water bottle that's up front. Again, the days are numbered 1 through 5. And we are rejuvenating from within. So any type of fast is, again, intended to cleanse your body, make you feel good. So this is just box number 1, just showing you how it looks. And here is the meal card. And so it's going to tell you breakfast, lunch, afternoon, and dinner. And it's going to tell you what's recommended. And I did follow it exactly along what it told me to eat and when it told me to eat it. And on afternoon of day 1, I did start to get a little hungry. Day 2 was probably the hardest. And then by 3, you start to kind of level off. So this is just showing you the nut bar that you eat for breakfast. So just make sure that you are able to eat nuts, and because it's a variety of nuts to keep you full, healthy fats and protein to keep you full for your morning, along with some tea. Here is an example of what your lunch might be, and until this diet, I can honestly say I hated olives, but by the end of it, I really like olives now, so that's pretty nice. So that's some healthy fats for you. The kale crackers are amazing. I love them, and this is the tomato soup, and the packet in the middle are the vitamins that they have for each day for this meal. Here is an example of my dinner. It's a soup mix. It has quinoa, some vegetables in it to keep you full kind of before dinner. And here is the dessert bar, I like to call it. And so it does have almonds in it, so again, make sure that you're able to tolerate nuts. And yeah, it's just a bar to kind of quench that last sweet tooth. So overall, the diet went pretty well. I didn't lose any weight. I did feel much more energized. I had more energy, and I felt very light. This is the water bottle of the glycerol mix that they give you, and you drink that throughout this fast. Again, these are the boxes, just giving you a snapshot again. And again, it's here to rejuvenate, regenerate, and revive. And here are the packets. Again, I love it because you just pick each day and you have everything that you need. Lots of different teas, lots of hibiscus tea and aga oil, and a lot of different vitamins. I like the tomato soup the best, and the milestone soup was good as well. And again, the kale crackers were phenomenal. So give it a try, and you might just end up liking something like I did, like olives, that you never thought you would. All right, so thanks for watching. Be sure to click below for more information on ProLon, and consider trying this 5-day fasting mimicking diet.